So, I made this Minecraft Alex papercraft project as a gift for my daughter, Ella, even though she squashed my Minecraft dream so badly that I will never play the game again. Sorry. Let me build another Alex, and you can too, and I'll explain everything. Way back in 2011, Minecraft had sold more than 4 million copies on PC, and I was really curious to play it. So I got really excited when they announced it was coming to iOS in the form called Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now, this early version of the game was pretty basic, and they kept updating it over time. I dove into creative mode and started building a castle. No, not a castle. My castle. It was perched on the edge of a massive cliff, and it had a fantastic overlook like something out of The Lord of the Rings. Oh, the interior of the castle itself had 3 stories, and I was starting to build some furniture and a massive roundish table in the main room. And when I say I spent time on this castle, I mean I spent a massive amount of time, and all of it was made on the teeny tiny screen of an iPhone 4. All I will say is that I was driving my daughter to a dance recital. She was about 6 years old at the time, and I handed her my phone in the back seat to keep her company as we drove. We were late, and I remember we kept getting stopped at red lights. Anyway, Ella asked if she could play Minecraft, and I said sure, but hey, be careful, don't mess up my castle. Oh, I know, she said. Well, she was well aware of my castle, because I had proudly showed it to her many times before that. We continued to drive, and I made a wrong turn. Dad? Yes, Ella, what's up? Where is your castle? She asked. Well, it's on the edge of that big cliff. There was a long pause. And then she said, no, I mean, what's the name of the world? It's called My World, I think. There was another long pause as I was looking for a place to turn around, and then I heard, I don't see that. Ella, don't worry about it. I'll show you later. Oh, okay. Well, would you be mad if I tried to start a new world? I did not like the sound of that. At this point in the conversation, I was getting a little nervous, so I said, why don't you just fire up Angry Birds or something? Eventually, we got to our destination and we hustled into the performance hall. As I waited for the show to start, I pulled out my phone to begin building horse stables that I was planning to build in a serene pasture on the east side of the castle, and wait. Where is my world? No. I don't see it. It was gone. My glorious, massive, beautiful castle that I had put so many hours into was gone. All at once, I realized how fragile virtual bricks can actually be. Hours and hours to build, gone in an instant. Now, my daughter did an amazing job with her dance, and to be honest, I sort of forgot all about my castle for a few hours. But from that day forward, I never really played Minecraft again. Yeah, I poked around in survival mode a few times, but the magic was gone. So now I find it more fun and less risky to play Minecraft in the real world by making my bricks out of paper. But I will say that making paper toys can be risky sometimes, and if you want to see why, just watch me build Minecraft Steve while I'm being hunted by an Enderman. Seriously, watch it.